Acid rain. It sounds like science fiction, but it's a very real problem caused by human activity. When we burn fossil fuels, we release sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. These mix with water vapor in the atmosphere to create acids, which fall to Earth as rain, snow, or fog. The effects are devastating. Acid rain harms plants, poisons aquatic life, and even corrodes structures. But there's good news. Reducing emissions can help. Thanks to clean energy and regulations, acid rain levels have dropped in many regions. We all have a role to play. Choose cleaner energy, reduce waste, and support policies that protect our planet.